Hey everyone, welcome back. So in this video, we are going to learn how to create the header, footer and homepage designs. Okay. So now guys, let's get started. Let's go to the ChatGPT and ask for it. Let me paste it. So here I paste. So this is my request. And now let us hit enter and get the code. Perfect. So here the navbar it started. Then the hero section, about us section, and let us see, then footer section. So we scroll below and recommended design for the system. Here they have given whatever it is, we are going to use it. So now let's move with the navbar first. So this is the navbar. Let's control C. You can click on this icon to copy. Get back to your Vue.js and we got to go to the navbar. So we are under public layout and here is the navbar. So we don't have a navbar. Let's create a component called navbar for the front end. So let's move inside the front end folder, and inside this front end folder I will create a navbar.view file and then start with the script for template and paste the code for the navbar. That's it. So navbar is ready. Now let's create a new file for the footer.view, same way, template. Let me remove this extra div and we got to paste the footer. So this is a hero section. Let us skip about us, skip, and here is the footer. Let's copy it, get back to your footer dot view and paste. All set. Okay, so footer is also ready. So now guys, let us link this navbar and footer in your public layout. Let's remove this and add the navbar component. So let's tell navbar. Hit enter and close the navbar. So here the VS Code extensions has been automatically imported. So let me just change it few things from here. I don't want to keep on top, and let's change it here, and you can remove all this, not required. Just script setup and import navbar from the correct path. Yes, it is imported, and you can keep the capital also. It's not an issue. Okay. So navbar, same way guys for the footer also. Let's hit here and say that footer, and you got to import that footer too. Cool. Now you can copy this and paste. Now let's remove this extra br tag. Now get back and here you see. So guys, you see that navbar has been designed and also the footer area, and this is your page content. Okay, so you're on the home page, so it is showing hello, I am Wayne. If you go on blog or about us, let me see on the about page. So here it says this is about page. Okay, so now let us just update all the routes for all this navbar. Get back, go to your navbar, and here is a tag. Let's change the route here. Instead of a tag, we are going to use a router link. So a router hyphen link. Okay, and this href will be to and /. This is going to be the home page. Same way you are going to update for all the a tag. Let me just backspace router hyphen link, and here it auto closes. Let's href to 2 and then change the path. So let us change this to / about, then your categories. So we don't have categories, just remove that, and we have blogs directly, blogs, and we have contact / contact, and then login and get started is register. Okay, so instead of get started, mention register, And here we are going to use as a either you can use this button or you can directly use the router link. Let's use the router link, guys, and just copy this CSS and paste here. Let me break this down. Now you can change this login. Let's remove this button, and same way for the register also. Let's copy and paste register. Now change this classes, Control X and paste. Let's change this URL login, and for the register. Now this is a mobile view, so we can skip this for now. Let's get back, and we try to navigate on about us. So it goes to the about us, and home page, it goes to home. Let's click on login, then register. So all works fine, guys. Okay, and let's click on this contact. It does not have a page, so it is showing blank. Now let us copy the hero section and about us section for the home page. Now let's get back and let's scroll below. Here is a hero code. Let me copy this, get back to your Vue.js and go on the home page. So inside views, yeah, and here is hello, I am Ved. So let's remove this, paste the content. Let me minimize and arrange that file. Done. Next is for the about us section. Copy it, get back, paste. And same content we can copy and paste for the about us also. So it's not an issue. Let's paste here. Let me minimize and arrange. Okay, it's already arranged here. Let's save and now get back. So here you see that this is the hero section and this is the about us section. Let's click on this about us page so it goes the same, right? Perfect. So guys, in this video that's it. Let's see in the next video with the new topic, that is the login and register should be hidden once it is logged in, and once it is logged out this button should be visible and with the my profile page. So thank you for watching this video, guys. Please subscribe, like and share.